My name is Irene Fanini. I'm the owner of VerdeOlivo, and we are very happy to have SLenergy as our partner because thanks to SLenergy technology, we are now 100% sustainable. And SLenergy was able to provide us a very efficient, reliable, smart energy solution, very compact in size. And I fully recommend it because whenever we needed support, they were able to provide us a prompt reply and they were very, very efficient. The application on the phone is also very useful and user-friendly because it helps me to monitor the situation at any time. Also, if I'm not at home, I can always see how much energy is producing the system and how much energy is going into the battery.
Sono Massimo dalla Chiusa, sono 15 anni che monto impianti fotovoltaici e sistema di accumulo. Con SLenergy e il suo sistema integrato iShare mi sono trovato molto bene. Ogni volta che ho avuto un problema o un inconveniente ho chiamato e ho avuto risposte veloci ed efficienti in breve tempo.